I've been going through my cookbooks and I found my recipe for my hot artichoke dip, and I wanted to incorporate it into a dinner, and this is what I came up with. I'm gonna make a hot artichoke spread. You'll need a cup of mayonnaise, a cup of Parmesan cheese. I have a 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts. I'm going to drain this. I have 4 ounces of diced chili and 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to get everything in the bowl. I have 4 chicken cutlets. It was 2 breasts that we cut in half, and Ken cooked them on the grill. They were left over. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this hot artichoke dip and smear it on top. And then I'm going to place this into a 350-degree oven and go ahead and just heat the chicken and the dip through, maybe like 20 minutes till it gets all bubbly. Putting the chicken into a 350-degree oven and letting it cook about 20 minutes. The chicken was out of this world. This is a 10 out of 10. I'm going to put the rest of this in the fridge for later. And I also took the rest of the dip and put it in these ramekins. They're the kind that you use for making like a creme brulee. And I'm going to use them later this week. I was able to yield 3 of these. So I figure I can take it out and put it in the oven, maybe heat it up for 15 minutes and use it as an artichoke dip with some celery sticks. I think it would be delicious. It's the perfect size to share with Ken. We might be able to take it and use it as a filling for like an omelet. Oh my gosh, how delicious that would be. So decadent, right? And let's see, we could spiralize some zucchini and put this on top of it, and maybe some shaved Parmesan. I think that would be a really great application. I'm sure there's a lot of ways that we could use this dip. If you think of any ways that are coming to mind, put them in the description box. I'd really like to know. And if you're not doing keto, this is just a wonderful recipe. Normally I make it in a big pie plate and put the whole thing in the oven. It's wonderful. Always a hit at like a potluck or if you have to go to a party or something. So that is my recipe share for today. You guys have a wonderful day.